Okay, so Tuesday's video today, we've got this gorgeous TR8 in here. Those of you that follow us will remember it from towards the end of last year. We did a 3.9 stage 1 conversion from the original 3.5 with the Edelbrock carburetor and our ignition pack. The owner's just brought it up today for a tune-up, sort of check everything over as well. And yep, that's all been done. So he's now back on his way navigating around London to Somerset, I believe. Yep, thumbs up, Somerset. So, very, very shiny under there. The car is absolutely gorgeous. Underneath, we did do photos and everything because the car's been fully restored, and I think most components are powder coated underneath. Thumbs up again. So yeah, in the workshop, we've got the Discovery that we've sold. We're just putting some parking sensors into the rear bumper there. It was a customer's request. This has just had some obviously work done on brakes and things before it goes off to its new owner, and I'll show you what else is going on. So Holly's a little bit busy on the project that we're not showing on Facebook today, but he has torqued the head bolts up here, so we've now got all the little lines pointing down. Always nice when they torque up well, because see, threads can pull in the blocks. It's not an issue, they can be helicoiled. We have nice long helicoils that allow us to still torque up on them. We also like to use an ARP head stud kit if we are torquing up onto a helicoil. So yeah, this engine is moving along, not as quickly as normal though, because Holly's actually in the workshop, as I say, carrying out some engine work at the moment. Right, well this is the engine stripped of its ancillaries, ready for the engine that we've built up in the workshop. So they will all now get cleaned, so that's a bit more work done on this engine today. What we've also been doing, or Steve's been doing today, is this is a green Discovery 2 that we had up for sale, which we've sold. The reversing sensors I showed you earlier on, we're installing those, and the LPG system, we're just doing sort of a check over on that, because it's not a system that we installed or did a check over on or anything like that at the time. We've just put our engine in, got everything up and running, put a few local miles on it, and yeah, now the vehicle's sold. We're obviously doing a full safety inspection on the LPG system. ECU wasn't secure, and there was a few clips we had to put on the pipework underneath, so Steve's been doing that. So everything's up to code of practice, ready for the certificate before the customer picks a car up in a couple of days.